Hi guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Natalie. For those who are new here and for those who are not, welcome back. Today I have a tutorial for you guys using the Masquerade mini palette by Juvias Place. I came up with this look right here. Before we get started, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave. As well as don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will have everything on the screen as usual. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so now I'm going to start with my base, which is my concealer. This one is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Sand, and I'm also going to carve out my brows using this. I'm not going to set the concealer. I want that eyeshadow base to still be tacky, just so the colors kind of pop a little bit better. So I'm just carving out my brows, and I'm just going to blend out the concealer down with a, I forgot what number the brush is, but this is a JS something. This is in the Morphe collection with Jeffree Star. But the next color I'm going to go in with, or the first color I'm going to go in with, is the color Ada. I don't know. And I'm taking it on the medium sweeper E54 brush from Sigma, and I'm just going to pack on that color at first. And now I'm applying my next color, which is Zobo, and I'm taking that on a small tapered blending brush, the E45 brush from Sigma. I'm just going to pack that on right above where the last color ends. And then I'm going to take a bigger fluffy brush. This is, I don't even remember which one this is, but just a bigger fluffy brush with a little bit of that Zobo color, just to kind of blend everything even more. So I did want to set underneath my brows, so I just went into my Warms Neutral palette from Sigma and went in with that white shade that's in there and just set it right underneath my brow. It also helped to highlight my brow bone. So I did that, and then I went in to cut my crease using the same concealer from Tarte, which is Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand. Oh my gosh, I'm hoping you guys don't hear what's outside, but anyways. And I'm just using that on my wing, or I'm cutting my crease using my wing liner brush from Sigma, the E06 brush. It makes it so much easier to cut your crease using this, just because it's so tiny. I'm telling you guys, best brush ever to cut your crease. And then I'm just going to blend out the outside of that, just to make it easier when I'm setting the next colors on top of that. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the color Dahlia, and apply that on the crease. Oh my gosh. My dad's doing some sort of construction outside, and he's not letting me do this voiceover. So sorry. I apologize. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and set that crease using the color Dahlia, but I'm not taking it all the way through. I'm going to go a little bit past halfway, just because we're going to use a darker shade on the outer corner. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the color Chi on the outer part of my crease, just to kind of blend everything together. I am using, what brush is this? I don't remember. It might be a BH Cosmetics one. I'm not entirely sure, but it's just a flat brush, just to kind of help to blend everything together. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply a dot using that E54 brush from Sigma on the outer corners, just to start to deepen it up. And then to make it even darker, I'm going to go ahead and apply the color Fulani using that E45 brush on the outer corner as well. I did line my eyes using the Sigma Wicked Gel Liner. I did that off camera just because I was out of focus the whole time I was doing it. So I was like, I don't know if you guys want to see that, but I did line my eyes using that Sigma Wicked Gel Liner. And then I'm applying my lashes here, which is in the style Charity from Tata Lashes. I will have all my discount codes and all of that down below, my Sigma one as well as my Tata Lashes one, if you guys are interested in saving a little bit of money. Okay, so for primer, I'm going in with the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer, and I'm just applying that a little bit on my cheeks, on my forehead, and on my chin, just in the areas when I want to get rid of my pores. This one's a really good one if you want like a blurring primer. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my Cover FX Gripping Primer, and I'm just going to pat that on. This is like glue, you guys. That primer is so good. I like them both when I combine the Timeless one from Tarte and the gripping primer from Cover FX. Definitely recommend. I heard it from Tati. And then I'm going to go apply my Marc Jacobs Remarcable Foundation, and I'm blending that out with my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Blender. And now I'm going to use my concealer. This is the same Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Sand. I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my forehead, down my nose, on my chin, wherever I want to highlight. And then I'm going to blend that out using the Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge. Now I'm going to set underneath my eyes using this, what is this? The Coty Airspun translucent powder. I'm going to set everywhere where I applied my concealer. If you guys have any more recommendations for setting powders, please let me know. I wanted to try the Beauty Bakery one, but I don't know. I'm open to trying new things, so please let me know. And then I'm just going to set my face using, what did I use here? Oh my gosh, what did I use? Oh, yes, the MAC Studio Fix Pressed Powder, and I am in the shade NC30. And then I'm going to bronze up my face with my, what is this? My Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm just using that powder brush. I think it's a powder brush from the Morphe and Jeffree Star collection. And then I'm going to contour just a little bit further with the Morphe bronzer in Debutante. And then I'm just going to apply that all on the outer parts of my face. And to clean up my contour, I'm just going to apply a little bit of the translucent powder underneath my cheeks, just to kind of make it all look nice and neat. And then for my blush, I'm going to be using the Sigma Aurora powder in Cor-De-Rosa. Just applying that on my cheeks. And oh, I was on the phone, so you probably could see me talking. My bad. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild highlighter. I don't remember the name of it, but I will have it down below. And I'm just applying this with that highlighter brush that came in that same Morphe Jeffree Star collection. And now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go in with the color Zobo. I think that's what it's called. And I'm just taking that on my medium sweeper brush, the E54 brush from Sigma, applying that all on the bottom of my eyes. And now to deepen the bottom of my lash line just a little bit more, I'm going to apply the color Ada. And I'm just taking this on a flat little brush, and I'm applying that even closer to my lash line this time. And to line my waterline, I'm going to take that same Sigma Wicked Gel Liner, and I'm applying it down below, and I am kind of trying to smoke it out just a little bit, just because I want the bottom lash line to be a little bit darker. And now for my inner corner highlight, I'm going in first with a white pencil liner as my eyeshadow base. And then I'm going to go in with the color Giza with a small pencil brush and apply that on top of that white pencil liner. And for mascara, I'm going in with the Sigma Sinuosity Lash and applying that on my bottom lashes. And for my lips, I'm going in with this liquid lipstick from Morphe. It's just a really, really nice brown color. I forgot the name of it, but I will have it down below in case you guys want to try it out. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave. As well as don't forget to hit that notification bell just so you guys are notified for any future videos. As well as don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will have everything on the screen as usual. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Amor. Que pase un año más de una vez sin que te pueda. Hola. Hey, Mom. Hello? E-subscribe.
Ya le dije a mis amigos, yo no necesito a nadie, solo tú estás en mi mente.
Oh my god. I'm funny.